Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert, that's me. This video is composed of things that I tinkered with throughout the day. For step-by-step detailed instructions of those tasks, you can click on the links in the comment section below. This video should contain tips and tricks of things that I've learned throughout the year. Now, I only plan on leaving this video posted for about 30 days. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you very much for watching. This morning I kicked off the day trying to print something off my printer, and it didn't go well. That's what I tried to print. Nice, colorful, shady form. This is how it turned out. I recently put brand new ink in every section of this crazy printer, so every one of these colors are new. So I printed the form. This is how it turned out. I knew it had new ink in it all the way around, so I printed a test page. Test page turned out showing only black ink in the machine. I ran the cleaning process and it came out like that, showing a little bit of magenta. Ran the cleaning process again, got a little better, showed magenta and blue ink. Ran the cleaning process again, showed a little bit more blue, magenta still splattered. Ran the cleaning process again, my yellow showed up. The rest were fine. Then I ran the cleaning process one more time. I got all my colors back, so I reprinted the form, and the form came out a lot better. So I want to let you know, don't give up on your printer. Do run the cleaning steps, and you might be okay without replacing your printer. For some reason this is not showing, but those cleaning cycles used up like almost all of my magenta, half of my blue, and 25% of my yellow. So be advised, the cleaning processes are aggressive, ink's expensive, and you may salvage your printer, but be aware that you could use a lot of ink. I am, folks, at the junkyard. Really just a morale booster so I can go deal with this Jaguar and get my car back. What's up, Buster Brown? Because I got the parts in for the Jag. Need to go put them in. But, man, I was emotionally drained. So I come out here, get my morale boost back up so I can go out there and handle that. Somebody's getting CV axles. Get ready to clear this row. This is the next one to go, the one on my right. Let me get a peek at this V70 up here. Got an 81 Mercedes 300. Man, this thing must have been undercover somewhere. The lights are still good. At least the right light is. The left one's a little messed up. Turbo diesel. Protect our environment with a diesel. It's like an oxymoron. Somebody rolling that with a diesel. 278. Has some miles on it. Well, it's here now, people. And that is it. 2002 Acura. And people think Volvo seats are the only ones that tear up. Got this part in for the Jag. Here's the connector here. I'm probably going to have to cut one in and splice it in. That part goes into the fuel pump. So I pull the tank back out, pop the cap loose. I'm going to go ahead and grab the fuel pump loose, make sure that connection goes in, splice these wires in. I got some 18 gauge to 22 gauge connectors. The connector that I have for the replace this messed up connector that I cut off, I'm willing to believe that this connector will plug right into the secondary pump like that's in the supercharged cars. And if I put a relay in that spot, this will probably power the primary pump. I'm not going to do that because I'm not 100% sure, but I could probably just unplug this, zip tie it out of the way, plug this into here, install that second relay, and be good to go. Got it spliced in. Boom, hook everything back up. Right, here I go. Time to put these fuel lines back in. I need to take that key or that release tool off of the driver's side one and get those plugged in, make sure they're secure. Man, it was tough getting this dang fuel pump line connected on the passenger side. Anyway, I got the battery hooked up. Time to see if this puppy's gonna start. Key in, cycle it once. You close the door, stop all that chiming. Cycle it twice. Try to start it. Alright, sound like I hear the pump. See, fires right up. Got a check engine light. I need to get out. Trunk's open. And we got low fuel. So, I'm going to let it run another second or two. I'm going to go put some fuel in it. I'm going to hook up this parking brake cable and take it for a wash. Now this dang car is piping coolant right out of this hose right here. Like there ain't no ands, ifs, or buts about it. This coolant hose is busted. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.